Hello everyone, Shravan Manthri here. Welcome to our channel CSE GURUS. As part of the Hackerrank, we have done with a very big sum in the previous video. Now we are going for diagonal difference. We will see this question. If you are not able to get this question in Hackerrank, I have given the link in the description given below. Please check it out. Here the problem is asking the diagonal difference, which means given a matrix you must find what is the left diagonal elements and what is the right diagonal elements, and once you get the sum of these two and get the difference. Here you can observe the question. If it is a 3 by 3 matrix, the left diagonal elements are 1 5 9, and what is the total sum, and right diagonal elements 3 5 9, what is the total sum, 17, and get the difference, which must be absolute. Even if you get the negative answer also, you must write the positive. So that's what the question it is asking. You can take one more sample test case here. 11 2 4 4 5 6 10 8 minus 12. The left diagonal elements are 11 5 and minus 12, which is 4. Right diagonal elements 4 5 and 10, which is equals to 19, and the difference is 4 minus 19, which is 15. This must be printed. Here I'll explain two methods. The method 1, which goes with the nested for loop, and the method 2, which will go only with the single for loop, which is a complexity n. If you write with the nested for loop, the complexity will go up to n square, which is where n is the number of rows and number of columns, which are same anyway. It's a square matrix. Consider these two examples where here number of rows are 4, number of columns are 4. That means n value 4. Here n value 3. Now what are the left diagonal elements? Here you can see 1, 6, 11 and 16, and right diagonal elements 4, 7, 10 and 13. Index always starts from 0, 0, we know, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. Like this 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 0, 3, 1, like this. Here also 0, 0, like this we have. Now the relation between left diagonal elements, the index part, you have to check it out. I'll write it. The first value is 0, 0, second value is 1, 1, that index I'm writing, next is 2, 2, next 3, 3. Now if I take I and j, we can say that left diagonal elements are, you can simply say if I equals to j, the relation I equals j, we can say it is left diagonal. Then you can make it sum. Now what about right diagonal? The right diagonal elements are here 0, 3, here this one is 7, 1, 2, this one is 2, 1, next one is 3, 0. What is the relation here? If you clearly observe I and j, 0 and 3, what is 0 plus 3? 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 0, 3, which means we can say for the right diagonal I plus j equals to 3, which is the size minus 1, 4 minus 1. Size if I take n, the relation is n minus 1. You can check it out here also. 1, 5, 9. What are the indices? 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. This is the left diagonal. If you take right diagonal, here 3, the index is 0, 2. This one is 1, 1. This one is 2, 0. You can see 0 plus 2, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. So which means 3 minus 1, which is I plus j double equals to n minus 1. So the conclusion is left diagonal means I equals to j, right diagonal means I plus j equals to n minus 1. If these conditions are true, yes, you can make sum. Finally, get those two sums and subtract. That is the first method. And the second method I'll directly explain in the program. We will try to write the code in C language. Here the header files, you can see where the function has to be defined. Yes, here. Yeah, ARR underscore rows. Number of rows are given, number of columns are given, and ARR, which is double pointer, which is a 2D array which is been taken. Now you have to use them and get the answer. This is the first method which you can write using nested for loop, where you can see S1 and S2 which are initialized to 0. Then it will take I equals starts from 0, I less than number of rows, where j starts from 0, j less than number of columns, and checking if I equals j, that is what it has to take left diagonal elements. So if I equals j, yes, add it to S1. S1 you will get the answer 1 plus 6 plus 11 plus 16, that is 34. What about S2? If I plus j, I told you I plus j double equals to n minus 1. That is what written here. So I plus j equals to either you can take rows or columns, because this is a square matrix, rows and columns are equal. So that is rows minus 1. So then it will take to S2, which is 4, 7, 10 and 13 will be taken, which is again 34. Now so get the difference, and anyway we need the absolute value. Even if it is a negative number, you must get it as a positive number. That's why absolute directly you can use. We will try to execute this one. Test case passed. Submit the code. All the test cases passed. This is the answer, general answer, of course the correct, which is the complexity. Going for nested for loop, here it is the complexity n square. But can you get the answer within n complexity? This is n square. Can you get the answer with n complexity? Yes, we can get it with n complexity with a single for loop. We will see that code. This is a logic we can write in the single code. Let us take n equals to 4. What are the left diagonal elements? 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, like this. What are the right diagonal elements? 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 0. Here you can see S1 plus AR of I comma I. What is I value? 0. 0, 0, it will be covered. Next I value 1, it will be covered. 2, 2, here 3, 3. Like this, I for the same index you have to take. That's why I comma I. Second one S2, where I is 0. What about this second value? You can see n minus 1 minus I. You can write it. So n is 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 0, which is 3. Yes, you are getting. Like that you can write where number of rows minus 1 minus I. Simply, and you will get S1 and S2 values. Find the absolute difference. So this is easily you can make it with single for loop. Let us see. Run the code. Yeah, test case passed. Submit the code. So like this, all the test cases passed. So this method is the best method compared to the previous method. And also I recommend you to watch the top 90 data structure MCQs, and here I kept totally 18 videos, which is of 5 MCQs each video. Even I kept all those 90 questions as a single video, that is top 90 data structures MCQs. You can watch this one also, which is almost 4 hours. You can see each one. You can either go for playlist or you can watch it as a single video. We will see the next question plus minus in the next video lecture. Thank you.